guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm gonna be doing a makeup look because I felt like it's been a while. I've been doing all kind of shit, but yeah, I think I'm gonna do my makeup today. But first, I'm gonna eat some snack because I'm fat. Literally love these chocolate bounty chocolate. Has coconut in it. My favorite Dorito. This is my favorite Dorito. Sweet chili heat. For some reason in Canada, this is black. The packaging is black. And in Brooklyn, the packaging is purple. And over here, in the purple package is the barbecue. I don't know why it's different. Oh my god! I think I'm gonna change this video because like I'm so lazy to do my makeup right now.
What are you gonna do?
So today, I was gonna do my makeup, but honestly, maybe I might like get in the mood, but I'm really not in the mood. So I have 3 packages right here and a chocolate in my hand. So these 2, as you can see, are from Ipsy. And which one? This one is the December, and this one is the January. Is it? Yeah, this one is January 2020. So my freaking December package took so long to come. It literally came in January. I was so pissed off. December, that came. Xavier, stop! Malik! I'll bite your feet. This is the December and this is the January, right? So I'm gonna open this one first. I already opened them. I already know what's in it. I didn't really look at it because I was just not in the mood. I was already pissed. And then this one came like a few weeks after. So these are $14 each. It's $14 a month because I'm in Canada. In 2017, I joined Ipsy and I got like 3. I think it was 3 of them. And I literally still have products from, because it was full-size products. Like literally. But let's open the December first. So this is how it came. So this is the packaging. Before it was like bright pink. Kind of like a chrome looking, but this one is like soft pink. Like a pastel pink. So this one came in the December package. This is the purse. It came like this. It has it came like this. It has wait, is that green? I'm blind because I thought it was blue. Well, it's green. This is like the zip right here. It's actually a cute purse. I actually like this. I think I actually hold this in my hand like a little purse. It's because it's cute. But anyways, oh, this is what is this? This is the face mask. You can see I did not open any of these. Face mask. One is refreshing peppermint. and Firmin pomegranate. I would use these. Like, I would use these. And then in the purse, this is what is in the bag. I did not do that. That's what's in the bag. And I'll take it out and show you guys. So first, they said this is all vegan and cruelty free. How do I open this? What is this? Oh, this is a highlighter by Colored Rain. Focus. Yeah, this is what it looks like. This is the packaging. I'm gonna open it.
I want to see what's in.
This is it. Why would I want you to open it?
Show them what's inside.
You think I don't know how to open it?
No, because you have nails on.
I'm not an invalid. This is it. Oh, this is pretty. Ooh. The size is not bad though. This is a highlighter. It's gonna take me a while to like use this. I would not use everything. I don't think so. In the shade Your Treat. Let's watch it. Oh, should I? Okay. That is freaking gleaming.
I don't have no makeup on my face, so just want to see how it looks. I'm scared. Ooh, shiny. This is cute. I like this. I like this.
This is tiny. This is tiny. This is tiny. This is Gimme Brow by Benefit. By Benefit. In the neutral deep brown. This is freaking tiny. Like, what is this? I mean, I know they say sample, but this is freaking tiny. Is this for like one use? This is what it looks like. Why is my light so... Ooh, my good yes. So I low-key forgot that I was eating a popsicle. And it's like melting away its life. Focus. Gimme Brow Plus. What is this? Like, focus.
That looks like hair. What is that?
It's so small. It's for the brows. This is so small. I put it on my... Wait, which brow am I lifting? Is it? Oh yeah. Is this a fiber gel? So is this what you put after you do your brows? I have no idea. So the next item in the bag is the Watermelon Illuminator Daytime Facial Oil. Oh, this is a facial oil. Oh, hand hold. Is that an A? Yeah, this also comes in the bag. I just didn't want to use it to see what it is, but yeah, it's called hand hold. This is what it looks like. It's cute. See, as I said, I didn't open anything. I was gonna say something, but yo, my hands are so dry. This light is doing me justice. Because my hands are so dry.
It doesn't even look dry.
It doesn't look dry in the camera, but it's dry. My hands are white. My face is clean. Well, part of my face. Ooh, my face is so dry
I think
too.
it's best to put it on your hands.
Why? It's a facial oil, not a hand oil. Oh, that feels good. It actually feels nice.
I sound so shocked. It actually feels good. Ooh, yes. Give me oil. Ooh, feels nice.
Look at the difference in my face. My face is also dry. Don't come for me.
Look at me. You still look dry. Look at me. You still look dry.
It's so oil. That smells like watermelon. I hate watermelon. I hate watermelon. I don't eat watermelon, but I like. Oh my god, that feels so good. I mean, these are size. I don't like what I don't like. This feels so smooth.
Actually, you can see that my hands are dry because this is the part with the oil and this is the part with no oil. So this is a lip gloss. This Beauty for Real. And this is the color. Yeah. This is what it looks like.
My lips, let's see. First off, I can tell you it's minty. Oh my god, I hate lips that stuff minty. Yeah, it's minty. It stings. It stings my lip. Like I can feel the mint. Doesn't taste like mint. Oh, it tastes like mint. It actually tastes like mint.
Oh, it's in the shade Starlust. It looks nice.
Ooh.
Half of my face looks so hydrated. This side looks dry. This side just... Ooh. So this is inside the bag. Ooh, this is cute. Green.
Oh, maybe you're done.
I'm just gonna put everything back. December bag. And this is our Ipsy bag number 2. And this is the January package. First off, I can see that I got a brush from luxybeauty.com. It's a fan brush. First off, this boss is cute. This one is cute.
Yeah, but
This is what bag number 2 looks like. And this is January. This one opens from here, not at the top. The hell you pronounce this? Oh, I was looking at this upside down. So this is from JJ Young. Oh yeah, JJ Young. That's a pore glow mask. It says it brightens and it glow.
want me to do it?
I'm not an invalid. Stop asking me if I want you to do stuff. Like why won't I be able to open this because I have nails? My nails grow long. And this is short nails.
Short. Oh.
And since I do my nails, she be asking me, you want me to do this? You want me to do that? Nah, I can do it. I'm not an invalid.
Yeah, you will.
No, I'm not.
One eternity later.
We're gonna be here for like 10 years. That's why I have teeth. Okay, this is a face mask again. I can't use this right now, so I would definitely try this because it said it makes the skin glow. And it brightens the skin. So I'm gonna try this. Definitely gonna try this. Anyways, what else is in the bag? Ooh, I got a concealer. Yep. Oh, this is one of the you could choose what item you want, and this was one of the items available, and I chose this one. It's from Morphe. I think that's the shade. Anyways, This, I think this is like a, I think this is a full-size product. Is it? It looks like my concealer. How my concealer normally comes. Is this the right shade? I don't know. Does it look like the right shade?
No.
I don't think so. This could work. Yeah, like it could work as a concealer. When I come up from here, I'm gonna be looking like a mad freaking person. Cause I'm just trying shit.
Like on one side's gonna be done and then half one's not.
I think I should have just tried over my, like when I'm doing my makeup. Cause I ain't got no foundation or anything on right now. But I like this concealer. I like it. I like it. Cause I'm using my finger to blend this shit. And I like it. I don't even know if it's because I have the face oil under. But I could use this. I could use it. Doesn't look that bad. I can use this. So I got a Morphe's concealer now. That's nice. So this is the fourth item. This is a lipstick. Okay, I need to wipe this lip gloss off. It feels nice though. I don't know how to pronounce this word because I see accents and I'm like dumb. Bella Pear. I don't know. I'll look it up. But this is it. Bella something cosmetics. That's a lipstick. It's a lipstick. Okay, this is a full-size product, obviously. Look at this color.
Now red makes people's teeth look yellow.
Talk to me nice, but don't talk to me. This is the lip. It's in the shade Ruby. So this is this. And this is the last thing. It's the Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. It looks like a ointment or like an eye drop. But yeah, this is it. Yeah, this is what it looks like. And that's it for the second Ipsy bag, which is the which package is this again? Which package is this one? Is January. The January package plus the brush that I already showed you guys.